Hey, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. How to use a red carpet treatment to supersize and grow your business. Red carpet treatment is a practice from ancient times where literally a red carpet was rolled out whenever somebody important would arrive at your location or would arrive at the castle. You would roll out the red carpet for the visiting dignitary, he or she, to walk on as they entered your location. It's an ancient custom that we still follow and we still use today. There's the red carpet at award ceremonies. There's the red carpet when rock stars or famous people or movie stars show up at some place. There is the red carpet often rolled out in public buildings, government buildings, when visiting dignitaries arrive. We actually used to roll out the red carpet in corporate America whenever we were having an audit. We wanted to make sure that the auditors for different governing bodies, quality or the bakery industry or USDA or any other official industry, and for very important customers, we would actually roll a red carpet out in front of corporate headquarters to welcome people. In addition to that, we would put up a sign that actually welcomed them by name. I actually learned that when I was visiting Mexico. As a quality executive, I traveled around and I visited a lot of our different customers and a lot of the plants in Mexico. They would actually roll out a red carpet, and I didn't know if it was for me or not, or if they just always had a red carpet there. But when I went inside the plants, there would always be like a welcome sign and a welcome gift package, which was really awesome, by the way, of their products and not their services, but their products, because it was manufacturing, usually personal care products and things. And they'd have a sign there that welcomed me by name when I was visiting their location, which was really fun and really awesome. It just made me feel special, right? Was I special and super important? Well, not necessarily, but it made me feel that way. And that's the whole purpose of rolling out the red carpet and treating people in an extravagant and amazing way. Now, how can you use this red carpet treatment, I call it RCT, to make your ideal customers feel special, make them know that you care about them, that you value their business, that they're important to you, that you want to see them get the results that they're looking to receive from your goods or services? How can you roll out that red carpet treatment? You can literally roll out a red carpet for them, or how can you do it more figuratively? Pay attention to them, call them out, acknowledge their successes and acknowledge them in ways. Share their testimonials, share their stories of success with your products and services with other people. Shine the spotlight in a very positive way on them. Pay attention to them, know them by name, call them by name, engage with them, have conversations with them, know what's important to them, know who they are and why they do business with you. That would be an example in this day and age of rolling out the red carpet, because most people pay absolutely no attention to their customers. They're just a number. I'm so anti business is a numbers game, because in the old days, maybe business was a numbers game, and maybe when you're Procter & Gamble or Apple, to you, business is a numbers game. But for most of us, most of the people listening to me in the silly crowd, business isn't a numbers game. Or you can treat it like that, but you're not going to have very much business. You have to leave everyone who does business with you feeling like they are important, giving them the red carpet treatment in order to grow and build and supersize your business. At least that's the philosophy of Sharon Horne-Ellstrom and the Pajama Grandma. Would love to know what you think about the red carpet treatment. Have you ever given your customers or given someone red carpet treatment? I would say anytime you treat somebody really well or extravagantly or go above and beyond a normal welcome to people, that can be considered red carpet treatment. I know whenever we would bring, my sisters and I would bring friends home from college, we made sure, my mom and dad always made sure that they felt so special, and they would do extra special, extravagant, fun things to make sure that our friends always felt extremely welcome. So it can be used in big ways or small ways, and it's more, how do you leave people feeling than the things you actually do? And it's really easy and inexpensive to make people feel special. You can actually do it for free. Anyway, that's it. I would love to know if you've had the red carpet treatment or if you've given someone the red carpet treatment and how you do that in your business today. Share in the comments below, because this Pajama Grandma would love to know. Otherwise, go out, have an amazing day, treat somebody extravagantly well today, and see if you don't be extravagantly well treated in return, because that's kind of how it works. What we put out into the world is what we get back. Have an amazing day, and I will of course be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you apply it to growing and building the business of your dreams? Have a great day.